How to fix Cash App won't let me send money. Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App. Won't let me send money. This is the Cash App homepage where you can enter amounts to send or request money and navigate to your main account features. Look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This option provides direct access to your account settings, personal information, linked bank accounts, and customer support menus. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and tap Support. This option provides access to Cash App's full help center, where you can browse troubleshooting categories, search for specific answers, or contact customer service directly. From there, scroll through the different options that you can see here and look for one named Payments. Make sure you tap on it. As you can see, you are in the Payments Support menu, where you can find articles and guides for troubleshooting your transactions. Look down the list under the related topics and tap Sending Payments. This option provides detailed information and troubleshooting steps on how to send money, fix failed transactions, or understand payment limits. After that, tap to send a payment. Here, you are in the Sending a Payment guide, where you can review the steps for sending money or find contact options for further assistance. Scroll down to the very bottom of the screen under the Contact Us section and tap Chat. This option opens a direct 24/7 message window with a customer support representative so you can get immediate help with any payment issues or questions. So, go ahead and chat with the support team and explain to them the issue you are facing. They will find a solution for your issue. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me send money.